Cherry Garcia. That's right, that's Megan's favorite ice cream. As a special treat, I'm going to make her some homemade Cherry Garcia ice cream today. Super simple, super easy. And if you've never had it, oh my gosh, go get yourself some. We're going to start with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure that it is not just the evaporated. You want the sweetened condensed milk. There you go, nice and thick. I'm going to put this whole can in. And then we're going to add to that 1 tablespoon of vanilla and just a little pinch of some sea salt. Now we're going to whisk this all together and set it off to the side while we get on to the next step. Next, you want about 4 to 5 ounces. Now you really should be using dark chocolate because that's what is in there. But Megan's favorite is milk chocolate, so kind of make it my own. Now you want to either shave this or, and you want to use a good quality chocolate, by the way. And we're going to, I'm just going to cut it up into small pieces. You don't want to put chocolate chips in there because that's wrong. You want to just kind of break, I'm going to cut this up into really small pieces, almost kind of like shaved. Ooh, that's going to be good. Next, now you can take fresh cherries and pit them all up and stuff, or you can just get the frozen pitted cherries like I did. And you want to go ahead and you can thaw them out. Actually, maybe they're easier to cut when they're frozen, who knows. And you want to cut them in half. You need about 3/4 of a cup of these cherries. And you want to make sure that they're, these dark ones. Don't use the maraschinos. Let me cut these up. For the next step, you want to take a large either metal or glass bowl and put it in the freezer for a good 15 minutes. You want to get it nice and cold. Now we're going to go ahead and take this whole container of cream and pour it on in. I'll try not to splash it on anything. We're going to whip this up until it gets, like whipped cream, like, nice firm peaks. So let's get a whip. It's going to take a little minute. Once you whip your cream so it's all nice and stiff, remember that concoction that we whisked together? We're going to go ahead and pour this on in. Make sure you get it all in there. Like so. And then we're going to just whip this together real quick. It's going to be so delicious. Alrighty now. Now we're going to take, remember that chocolate that we chunked up? We're going to go ahead and add that in. And we're going to add in those delicious cherries. And we're just going to fold these all in together. Alrighty now, I'm going to transfer this over to a loaf pan. And you want to cover this up with some saran wrap. Make sure that you get a good seal on it. And we're going to put it in the freezer. Now you want to make sure that you freeze this for at least 4 hours before serving. So I think Megan's going to love this. I have a feeling I made a double batch, but it's not going to go to waste. I have a feeling it's going to be super delicious, and we're really going to love this. So I guess I better get out another loaf pan. I'll see you for the taste test.